Welcome back, everyone. I was in a position that I'm sure a lot of you guys may actually get yourselves in, and that is basically every time you open the App Store, it basically says cannot connect or try again or whatever, and you click retry, and it just keeps giving you the same error. Now, this has happened to me 50 billion times, so with my iPhone 11, for some reason, it happened the most, but I ended up fixing it, which was very, very interesting. And what ended up fixing it for me is literally updating my phone, which sounds crazy, I know. It wasn't a network issue, it wasn't anything. For some reason, I was stuck on like iOS 13.1 or iOS 13.1.3 or whatever it was, I don't remember. And I went ahead and updated my device to iOS 14, and that ended up fixing the issue. So I think that's the very first thing I would recommend a lot of you to do is to update your phone. But before you do that, the very basic thing you can do, which didn't work for me, I don't know why, is to change your internet connection. Now with my iPhone 11, I don't use it as a main device, so I couldn't go and just use it on data or something because I didn't have a SIM card in here. But if you have a device that you have data and Wi-Fi, what I would recommend is if you're on Wi-Fi currently, going off your Wi-Fi signal and then going onto your data, so your Verizon or T-Mobile or whatever, and going and opening up the App Store in that case. If that happens and you go and open it, then most probably it's probably fixed, and you can probably assume that your phone's not broken, the software is fine. It's really just the update of the software that you need to go do, or then you can probably assume it's just a network connection issue, which is exactly what you want. You never want hardware issues, you want, network issues or something like that. So you can just go ahead and connect to a better Wi-Fi signal, connect to a better thing like that, and pretty much move on from there. Now, if that doesn't end up being the case, what I would recommend doing is resetting your device. So you want to go ahead and find a way, of you resetting your device personally or restarting it. So with most iPhones, you hold the volume up button and the power button at the same time, just like this. I totally screwed it up. But just like this, you want to do it, and eventually you can slide to close. If you have an iPhone 8, basically you just hold down that power button and you can go and close it that way. Same thing with the SE2 and so on and so forth. And once you restart your device, pretty much the phone will just restart. You want to go ahead and try opening up the App Store, and chances are it's probably fixed. And if that still doesn't fix it, again, I would recommend checking your network connection, checking some other things like that, and making sure you're connected to a good network. Like I stated, the way I saw before, I was just not connected to a good network, and I had to update my phone, and that ended up fixing it. So like I said before, you may be in the same position, maybe not, but that's pretty much how I would go ahead and fix in this specific situation if your App Store just isn't opening, or if it's saying cannot connect or whatever. Now, I did see some other situations that people have stated. Basically, if you go into your settings, you make your way over to the App Store, and you go ahead and toggle these things on and off, apps and app updates. I think I saw somebody say that, and that fixes it. I honestly don't know what that would do, but if you want to try that, go for it, and maybe it'll fix it. But in this case, that's pretty much what I had to do to fix it. So that really pretty much covers it up. If you guys have any other questions or anything, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. Every single subscriber that we get really does count, so it means so much if you guys can hit that. Also, check out the other links down in the description as well. My Twitter, my Instagram, my other channels. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.